Have you ever wondered how the products around you are made, maybe who's made them? The object of this series is to find out more about who engineers are, what they do, and how they get to be where they are. Hello, I'm here with Fiona from Jaguar Land Rover here at Halewood, and we're here to find out a bit more about her and her role in engineering. So Fiona, it's great to have you here talking to us. Tell us a bit more about yourself.
Well, my name is Fiona Black. I'm 26 years old. I'm from Scotland and I've been working in Jaguar Land Rover for 4 years now.
Excellent. So can you tell us a bit about your role here at Jaguar Land Rover?
Well, I work in the body shop at the moment. I've worked in the body shop for 1 year. The 3 years before that I worked in the press shop. My role in the body shop now, I'm a quality engineer for the Freelander and X-Type closure lines. Also the final buy-off line over in Trim. So any quality issues that we've got from that line, they'll come to me for me to work on. There's also, we've got other window roles in the department which we work on, such as the quality procedures that we have to work to as a company, and my department's champion for that. Also the tooling that we've got for reworking cars and fixing parts to the cars. I have to coordinate those, coordinate calibration of them, repair of them if it's required, and that's the main aspects of the job.
So you mentioned about quality before. Can you tell us about the importance of that within engineering?
Well, for my department specifically, it's the gaps and the flushes that you would see on your car doors. It's important if you buy a car, you want to have it looking aesthetically pleasing. So it's important for us to monitor and maintain that quality for the benefit of the customer and also for the reputation of the brand.
Excellent. So quite important really.
Yes, yeah. Very important.
Can you tell us a bit about what you feel are the benefits for you in your role here at Jaguar Land Rover?
It's quite a challenging role, also quite a satisfying role, but it's very hands-on, the job that I'm doing now. So if we've got an issue, you can go out and look at that issue, have a look at what you need to fix it. You go out and put whatever fix you needed, but you get to see the benefits of what you've just done, so you can see the improvement that you've made, and you know that that improvement is going to go out into the field and customers are going to see that improvement. And you can see as well when you're seeing cars driving down the motorway, you know what you've done to that car, so it's very satisfying from that point of view.
Excellent, thanks. Are there any drawbacks or any negatives to your job?
Because it's quite a big firm that we work for and there's quite a lot of people split into different departments, that if you're trying to complete a task, you've got lots of different areas to try and work with your point of view, and everyone obviously has their own point of view, so just trying to coordinate everyone's direction to go in the same way. That can be the most difficult part, but if that's successful then it's also a very satisfying part as well.
How do you find it as being a woman in engineering?
It's quite difficult, and the male to female ratio in my last department there was less than 5 females. I think there may be up to 10 or 15 now in this department, so it's a massive ratio. It can be, I don't think it's any different to being a man, and that you're always going to have people that that are more difficult to work with and people that are easier to work with, and people always treat you differently regardless if you're a female or not. So it has been difficult. I think people are always quite surprised when they see a female in the workplace. But I've not found it a hindrance to doing my job, and it does make you feel quite proud that you can manage to succeed and do well in a job that everyone sees as a stereotypical male role.
Can you tell us about your career path, how you've got from school to where you are now?
Well, I went to Newcastle University, studied mechanical engineering there for 4 years. I got a master's in that. Then I came straight from university here. That's where I had my 3 years working in the press shop as a quality engineer again. And then I managed to get a transfer to this department. So I've been here for a year now, which it's been a good opportunity to expand my knowledge within the department and do different roles as well. I've spent 6 months, the first 6 months I had in this department, I was a supervisor for a small group of people. So I've had good opportunities to expand my knowledge base. So it's been good.
Excellent. So what led you into to choosing to go to university to do engineering?
It was mainly a combination of the subjects that I was best at in school. I was best at maths and physics and the sciences, and it was really just the fact that I liked watching the Grand Prix and things like that. That just gave me a hankering towards the automotive industry, and I could see what product I was going to be entering into. So that just took me there, and I enjoyed it as soon as I got into it. So that's my main reason.
Excellent. So can you tell me about what you feel is your future as an engineer?
Well, I've been in this department for a year now, so I still would like to continue my learning in this department. I've had a slight experience of supervision, but I would like to progress and be in charge of a larger group of people, and just continue up the promotional scale as best as I can manage.
Thank you very much, Fiona, for giving us an insight into your role and your career as an engineer.
Thank you.
In today's world, engineers often have an unrecognised impact on social and economic development. This interview is part of a series on exploring the engineering world. The aim is to introduce real engineers from different sectors and fields, exploring what they do and how they became engineers in the first place.